Head of Referee, Nagaland Football Association, our esteemed members of the NFA. Especially, we would also like to welcome our representatives from the District Football Association who are present here for this press conference and fixture draw for the 24th edition of Dr. Tiao Trophy Inter-District Football Championship. So we will, before we begin, we will briefly highlight on the tournament. Our organizing committee convener is not here, our Sir Kitty Podi, but our member secretary, our honorable DC is here, so he'll be leading, and our president and NFA will give an introduction of the tournament. And so yeah, that is about it. So I think we can begin. For your presence here, and it's a very anticipated occasion for football lovers, and especially for the Nagaland football fraternity, as well as all the football lovers around here. And Kohima is privileged to be hosting the 24th edition this time, and we are happy to have the DPDB Kohima heading the preparations led by our DC. So to begin with, before we proceed for the press conference, we will have the unveiling of the poster and the media campaign of Dr. Tiao Trophy. So may I invite our DC and President to kindly unveil the poster and media campaign. The unveiling, and now I hand over the time to our President and our Honorable DC to take over the time and to carry forward the press conference.
Respected Deputy Commissioner and Secretary, Organizing Committee 24 Dr. Tiao Trophy 2025, my dear friend and my dear colleague from all the 17 districts, Additional Director of Warriors and his colleague, and my dear friend. I extend my warm welcome to this press conference. Within a short time, you are always ready to be with the Football Association. We are really grateful. Whatever achievement we could achieve is through your publicity campaign and your encouragement. You are all behind every time with a football activity. Today, for the Dr. Tiao Trophy Inter-District Championship 2025, you all know the Nagaland Inter-District Championship aim is to strengthen what already we have to the crazy football state. The concept of Inter-District Football Championship is to provide a platform where we nurture talent, promoted players, promote the games, and work with the state association like district associations, sports, especially football, as a variable career for the youth of Nagaland. A state famously known in the footballing India nation as a state that was represented by a footballing giant in India football history, going to be by the name Dr. Tiao, first captain of Indian Olympic football team 1948 and flag bearers of the Indian contingent London Olympic. The inter-district will be played in league knockout, where the 17th district will be taking part. The inter-district tournament has started in the earliest 70s, and it was named. It was played under the inter-district for so long. But however, when the Dr. DPRO, Honorable Chief Minister, when he became the Chief Minister, he proposed to change the name to Dr. Tiao by providing sponsoring the prize money of 6 lakh, and these are the description of the tournament. The tournament name shall be Dr. Teo Trophy 2025 Inter-District Football Championship, and this tournament will be kicked off on 1st August and final replay on 15 August. And as I said earlier, it will be played in a League Home knockout. The champion will get rupees of 3 lakh, runners-up 2 lakh, semi-finalists 50,000 each, and all the 17 districts will get a preparation fund of 50,000 each. The trophy, certificate, and all the other trophy management will be bear by the NFA. The eligibility of the players for the tournament is only indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland state shall be allowed to participate or to represent the district team. Indigenous certificate, which is duly certified by the district council, deputy commissioner shall be eligible to take part. If any indigenous inhabitants players are not selected, then he can represent the district where he is selected by the other district football association with the permission of his parent district. Any police or army personnel whose battalion is posted in the particular district are eligible to represent that district. In case of dispute regarding any players, the concerned team has to furnish documentary evidence in support of the list of players. All players should register in centrally registration system, shares. Team codes preferably AFC or AFD license holders. The tournament official will be 4 and 25 players maximum that they can register, but after 4, that is from today it will start counting till 14 July. And on the day of the arrival, the team have to submit only 20 players with 4 officials. To set the time, if you have any other to be asked, I'll give to the technical committee to answer the technical part. Now I request our Deputy Commissioner and Secretary of the Committee to highlight the preparation.
Youth Resources and Sports, Sri Ketusitu Sekose, President Nagaland Football Association, Sri Tibu Sekose, officials from NFA, KTFA, and my officers from TPTV and my dear media friends. Indeed, it's an honor for me to address the press conference in regard to the forthcoming 24th edition of Dr. D. Ao tournament, which is going to be held at Kohima from 1st to 15th August. This is the premier football tournament in our state. And as far as our arrangement is concerned, we have the organizing committee headed by our chairman TPTP, Sri Kevi Pote, our TPTP chairman, and co-chaired by Dr. Atu, our honorable MLA. And we have roughly around 20 subcommittees with members numbering nearly 150. So this organizing committee and other subcommittees are comprised of TPTP officers and NFA, KTFA officials, prominent civil societies, and we are working under the guidance of Nagaland Football Association. We also wanted to acknowledge the leadership and guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, who has been guiding us in order to ensure the smooth and successful conduct of this preparation. So thank you so much, and in the days to come, we will be updating more about our preparations. Thank you.
Committee will be headed by Roko Angami, who is a AFC license B license holders. At the same time, he has represented our country in the general level as he's an international players with the following members: Mokato Ayed, Vice President NFA, Kiaka Sumi, Senior Vice President, Matthew Gume, President Kohima District Football Association, Kevin Widow, HR NFA, who's as well as a Mess Commissioner, Kevin Levy, FCB license holder, Zakilo Teofodi, Technical Director, Kohima District Football Association, Jesenito, Director of Referee for Kohima District, Jesebi Deoso Kohima, Wapuna FCC license holder, and El Shauto Yongchunger, Joint Secretary at NFA. They will take care of all that, our technical part. Recently, we have released our competition rule by our Commissioner and Secretary Youth Resource. You can, if you want, you can go through. We'll give you a soft copy. We'll send you. And all how we are going to play. This time we have changed a lot of things with approval of All India Football Federation, like changing if any players come in late for the press conference, that also will penalize. Come in late for the play time, all this will be late, will be fine. Something like that. We are also trying to follow what the foundation are following. Few changes has been done, and for the match to be conducted, or HR Kevin Gudo Sabose will be a best commissioner, Medoze Upuna, referee instructor, and Zakiloto, he will be in charge of competition physio. These are few we have already made an appointment. Another two to be made is disciplinary committee and appeal committee. Will let you know in short time of course of time. And for the fisher, the draw for the fisher will have 4 groups: A, B, C, D. And the defending champion, Tumsang, will be first picked up and put in A group. And the runners-up, defending runners-up will be in group B. That is parent. Only after that we'll follow up and we'll draw and we'll put in the respective group. But where the being the Kohima is going to host the tournament, so for the inaugural, where Kohima team forms in that group, that match will play in the first round, in the first match, inaugural match I mean. And with after this draw, we'll make a fixture according to date-wise, time-wise, all these things. We'll let technical do the work and we'll give to you so that you put in a publicity in your paper. That's somebody writing. Parent in, I mean, Tumsang in group A. And parent in group D.
Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Helan Puchin, and NFA President, who is leading the whole NFA team, and my officers, media friends. The Group A, as per the fixture which was drawn just now, will consist of Tringsang, Mon, Shamator, Newland, and Zunigoto. Group B consists of Longland, Chumgedima, Noklak, and Dimapur. Group C consists of Mugokchung, Wokha, Fek, and Kipiri. And Group D consists of Peren, Kohima, Semenu, and Maluri.
Kohima President. for the information of everybody here and especially to the district team, district official, those who refuse to participate in our inter-district or refuse to represent the district, we won't allow them to represent our state nor in Nagaland Super League. That have to be kept clearly in your mind. And all given transfer, you should see that players is not victimized. If you don't select, release them for to other districts so that they can participate. Our aim is to create football opportunity, plus we want to have a unity through football where all the Nagas are taking part. So kindly be reminded, those who refuse to participate in your district team, then you give a complaint letter to NFA so that we see that they also not represent our state team nor in our Nagaland Super League. We'll take care of that one. You want to say anything?
CMS and CRS, that in bylaws it's clearly mentioned that before the tournament starts, 14 days before tournament start, we have to submit all the details to NFA.
And contribution from the Kohima legislatures. So we want to acknowledge them for their leadership and for the contribution thus far.
For the technical part, I'm just curious.